Cake by Jason is a designer cake shop in Timonium, Maryland that specializes in cupcakes and really awesome designer cakes, things with rockets shooting out the top, really cool stuff for celebrations. Branding is really important nowadays to get your name out there, to make sure that people recognize you, and to really stand out amongst your competitors or other people in the business or on the market. Fully Promoted has really helped us not only brand our uniforms and how our employees look, but also all of the products we sell. Fully Promoted actually reached out to us, which was incredible. They stopped by, they purchased some cupcakes, but then also brought some swag that had our logo on it. It was so cool to see things in person that had our logo, and we knew we had to partner with them and work for them for everything else in the future. First off, Fully Promoted does all of our uniforms. So chef coats and aprons, all of that has our branding on it everywhere and as much as possible. So they always do an incredible job helping us find the right materials, the right fabrics. Our bakers work in really hot kitchens, so we need stuff that is loose fitting, but also branded still, so we all look great. Number one, Fully Promoted always brings a high quality product. All of our stitching, and especially for our chefs, we're running around, we're hustling, we're moving. I would 100% recommend Fully Promoted to anyone needing branding. Their work is impeccable, their design creations are really true and modern to what people are looking for nowadays, and everything that they actually produce is amazing quality with awesome customer service.